To get on-screen keyboard on Mac, here you can see this. Here you can see Show Keyboard Viewer. As you can see here, on-screen keyboard, you can type it from here. You can zoom the keyboard. Here you can see the appearance, dark, light. You can also explore other options as well. If this option not showing, then click it here. Here you can see System Settings. Scroll down. Here you can see Keyboard. Here you can see Input Sources. Click on Edit. Here you can see Show Input Menu in Menu Bar. It should be enabled. If we disable this, it will not show. If we enable it, it will show it like this. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.